Welcome to the Grass Valley booth at NAB 2018. And we're going to talk to Daniel Collin, who's the product manager for Densite, and Steve Cole, who's the product manager for IQ. Those are our modular products, which a lot of people refer to as glue that holds a system together. So Grass Valley now has a very significantly expanded modular product line. As a customer, how should I be distinguishing between Densite and IQ?
This is a very exciting time for both our customer inside and also for Grass Valley. Each platform has a comprehensive line of signal processing and distribution amplifier function, and the combined portfolio means that it fills the gap and we can provide complete solution to our customers. Furthermore, the complementary expertise in the R&D team will be beneficial going forward in developing future product. I can also say that I know that IQ customers and Densite customers have significant investment in this technology, and I can tell them with reassurance that we are going forward with both platform and they can continue purchasing their favorite modules.
Excellent. So, Steve, let's go to you. Let's talk about what's new with the IQ modular product line.
Sure. Well, at NAB this year, we're introducing our range of new 12G UHD modules, and we're also showcasing our intelligent monitoring solutions, which includes media biometrics and logo detection.
So, explain to me how 12G helps a customer.
Well, as you know, UHD is a hot topic here at the show, but working with 4 wires has never been ideal. So if you can switch over to a single link 12G solution, then you're going to save yourself a lot of cost and also simplify installation and commissioning. We're introducing our new range of IQ modules. So we'll have 12G distribution amplifiers to take those single link signals and distribute them. We also have UHD quad link gearbox modules to take that to 12G. And our latest new development is called the IQ UDC40, and that is a conversion and processing module with HDR mapping. And that's suitable for all types of SDI signal really, SD, HD, quad link, UHD or 12G.
And you mentioned intelligent monitoring, so what's the benefit of that?
In intelligent monitoring we're introducing our new logo detection module called the IQ LAM 00. And what that does is it monitors the SDI stream live to detect if there's a logo on air or not. And so if you're in a large operational multi-viewing environment, for example, it's often really hard to detect those small channel logos. And so the IQ LAM will provide the operator with confidence that the right logo is on the right channel at the right time.
Excellent. So Daniel, tell us what's new with Densite.
It's very exciting. We're launching at NAB this new platform, Agile SDI IP processing platform. That is called XIP3901 and is available on the Density 3 Plus platform.
Nope, keep going.
So there's 3 key things to remember about this platform. It's agile, meaning it's reprogrammable. People can purchase application on that platform when they want it, and it can evolve over time. Second, it's an hybrid SDI IP, meaning that we have all the connectivity, all the I/O connectivity for 3G, HD, and 12G SDI, as well as we have dual IP SFP cage 25 gig ports, Ethernet ports for future migration to IP processing. And finally, it has enough power to support up-down cross conversion of 2 UHD channel with frame sync and HDR processing.
So I'll ask a sensitive question here. I'm sure since the 8 weeks since the acquisition, Daniel, you've looked at Steve's IQ line. Steve, you've looked at Daniel's Densite line. Anything that you looked at that was a surprise that go, wow, I'm glad we're now putting that together in one, in one company? Anything that jumped out at either of you about the other one's product line?
Absolutely, it's fabulous.
Yes,
we used to wear a spy badge spy badge to go and see what the other was doing. Now we have our hands on, and I was amazed by their standard rate conversion technology that they have, and by their logo, the biometric technology that they have in their product. So it's very, very interesting, and I'm very happy to be able to satisfy those needs, because I did have a lot of questions in the past, and I never was able to say, well, I have the product for that, you have to look elsewhere.
Yeah, I think the XIP
all
module.
Your questions can now get answered.
Absolutely.
Steve, anything on your
I
side?
think the XIP module will be really great because of the ability to change the software to do different applications. That's a really neat functionality, actually. So yeah, it's been really good. I'm really enjoying working with Daniel and the team, and we're collaborating together. It's very exciting for the future.
Excellent, perfect. So, to both of you, if there's one thing you want people to remember and to take away from NAB about Grass Valley Modular Products, what would that one thing be, either of you?
So I think the one thing we want people to remember is really that whatever your system requirements are, be it IP or SDI, that Grass Valley now has the Densite and IQ modular ranges with all the capabilities to be able to deliver interfacing, processing and monitoring, and provide that for any kind of application.
Excellent. Anything that you wanted to add, Daniel?
Well, maybe a little bit about the HDR workflow, if we have a minute.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's talk about the HDR workflow in Densite.
Yeah, well, just to say that we've been developing this technology, this HDR up mapping, down mapping technology in the processing and in the monitoring product line. And we have worked closely with our camera product unit, and we have done active field trial, and we're all showing some exclusive footage that we've produced with the Red Bull Crush Ice event in St. Paul, Minnesota last February. This was a show that was produced in HLG, and although most of the camera were in native HLG, there was some that was SDR, and we were using our UHD 30nano signal processor to upmap those SDR camera to HLG so that you have a unified HDR production environment. And we also were using the same product to do down mapping of HLG to SDR so that we can do camera shading and production distribution of a HD broadcasting of this event. And we also had the the KMX 4921 multi-viewer with integrated HDR processing that allows us to monitor multiple sources with different colorimetry on one single surface.
Great. So thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Steve. And thank you for watching from the Grass Valley booth here at NAB 2018.